Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the source image so you know what limits you face. Open the copy in your editor and read pixel dimensions and DPI. This shows how much expansion is realistic. Once done, pick a target size, PX for screens or 300 DPI for print, because that determines algorithm choice. Make sure to save a backup and retain the color profile. You will need it later when comparing results, and this avoids accidental data loss while you upscale. You now pick an upscaling method. Classical interpolation like bicubic or Lanczos works fast, whereas an AI upscaler reconstructs details if available. If you use AI, start with 2x steps: upsample, inspect, then repeat to reduce artifacts. Apply gentle denoising before heavy enlargement because noise scales up. After each step, use targeted sharpening to restore edge crispness without amplifying grain. Make sure to check shadows, highlights, and skin tones as you go. You finish by exporting multiple versions: a high-quality JPEG for delivery, a lossless PNG for archiving, and a layered PSD or TIFF with edits preserved. When exporting, set JPEG quality to 90% or higher and embed the correct color profile, because that keeps tones consistent across devices. If you spot halos, stretching, or smudged detail, backtrack, reduce the upscaling factor, try a different model or interpolation, and use local healing or frequency separation to fix stubborn artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.